अस्सलामुअलैकुम। हमारा टॉपिक है एडवर्टाइजिंग सेल्स प्रमोशन। वी विल कंटिन्यू एंड डिस्कस द रिमेनिंग स्टेप इन मेजर एडवर्टाइजिंग डिसीजन एंड अदर टॉपिक ऑफ टुडे lesson is selecting advertising media. The major step in media selection are deciding on reach, frequency and impact, choosing among major media types, selecting specific media vehicles, डिसाइडिंग ऑन मीडिया टाइमिंग। फर्स्ट देख लेते हैं डिसाइडिंग ऑन रिच, फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड इम्पैक्ट। टू सेलेक्ट मीडिया द एडवर्टाइजर मस्ट डिसाइड दैट what reach and frequency are needed to achieve advertising objective. Reach is measure of the percentage of people in target market who are exposed to the ad campaign during a given period of time. For example, the advertiser might try to reach 70% of the target market during the first 3 months of the campaign. Frequency is a measure for how many times the average person in the target market is exposed to the messages. Choosing among major media types. The media planner has to know the reach, frequency and impact of each of the major media types. The major media types are newspaper, television, direct mail, radio, magazines, outdoor and the internet. Each medium has advantages and limitation. Media planner consider and many factors when making their media choices. The media habit of target consumer will affect media choices. Habit of target consumer will affect media choice. Advertiser look for media that reach target consumer effectively. So will the nature of the product. For example, fashion or best advertiser in color magazines. Selecting specific media vehicle. The media planner must choose the best media vehicle. Specific media within each general media type. Media planner must compute the cost per 1,000 person reached by a vehicle. The media planner ranks each magazine by cost per 1,000 and favor those magazines with the lower cost per 1,000 for reaching target consumer. The media planner must also consider the cost of producing ads for different media. First, the planner should balance cost against the media vehicle audience quality. Deciding on media timing. The advertiser must also decide how to schedule the advertising over the course of a year. Suppose sales of a product peak in December and drop in March. The firm can vary its advertising to follow the seasonal pattern, to oppose the seasonal pattern, or to be same all year. Most firms do some seasonal advertising, some do only seasonal advertising. Finally, the advertiser has to choose the pattern of the ad. Continually means scheduling ads evenly within a given period, plus means schedule ad unevenly over a given time period. The idea is advertise heavily for a short period to build awareness that carries over to the next advertising period. Those who favor plus feel that it can use to achieve the same impact as steadily scheduled but at a much lower cost. However, some media planners believe that although pulsing achieves minimal awareness, its sacrifice of advertising communication. Adv- sorry recent advances in technology have had impact on the media planning and buying functions.